ways to make it difficult can include all sorts, from upping your game with your diet, upping your game with your exercise, upping your game with how you look at yourself, how you treat yourself, the clothes you wear. It can be literally anything. So one of the things that I've done that is mostly psychological is I wear this outfit because I hate this outfit. I really don't like this outfit. I feel so uncomfortable in this outfit. I'm like, I was like, you look so fat. And it sounds so weird because I don't get it with other outfits. Other outfits, I'm just like, yeah, okay. But this outfit, for some reason, it like squishes me in the middle, and it makes my like lower part of my tummy like look bigger, and then it just like I just really don't like it. But I was like, you should wear it. I was like, you should wear it more often. I was like, just think about it, like you're supposed to be getting comfortable with being uncomfortable. I was like, so wear the outfit that you don't like. I was like, you like the colour, like the fit's okay. I was like, maybe just wear the outfit and then look at yourself in the outfit and be like, that's what you don't like. And I thought to myself, I was like, but I'm not supposed to do that, am I? I'm supposed to like love myself healthy. And I was like, maybe just part of loving yourself healthy is like being realistic with yourself as well. Like looking at the parts of you that you actually just don't like and being okay with not liking them and then doing something about it. I was like, that can be where it starts. I was like, and then you're going to need to make other areas difficult as well, like just a little bit more difficult. Like meal prepping at the beginning of the day is something that I've started to do. I'm not doing it perfectly every day at the moment because it's a new thing. But I was like, if you made yourself like the basic like part of a salad, like the lettuce, the onion, the tomato, and you pre-cook your eggs and just stick them in a box. I was like, you've basically got most of the salad. You just need to put tuna on it and like some olive oil or mayonnaise. I was like, and there's your salad. I was like, it doesn't actually take a lot of effort. I was like, do you want to do that now in the morning or do you want to do that later on? And I was like, neither. It's what my brain was like. I was like, well, brain, I was like, you have a choice to make because you've got to eat at some point and you can't just live off bread. Okay? Brain's like, okay, we'll try it in the morning. So I tried it in the morning and I got probably a good week's run at it. And then recently I had a little like stumble with my sleep and I was like, I can technically take the rest of the day slower to make it easier for myself and less stressful. And then give myself that little break and then get back into it, just like I've done with exercise and everything else. I was like, and just let it click back in again, maybe in like 3 or 4 days' time. I was like, okay. But that's one of the things I started doing. I was like, you can meal prep at the beginning of the day. Technically, making it a little bit more difficult at the beginning is going to make it easier later in the day. And something that I found is putting everything that's like, don't do that. Like cleaning, like anything really. Like sweeping the floor, mopping the floor, wiping the surfaces down, making food, exercising, writing in my journal. All of those things. If I just say to myself, like, right, you're doing these in roughly about an hour, okay? Like, you get up and then you start exercising, and then you do your meal prep, and you do these things first before you eat breakfast. Like, you can have, like, a drink of water, and, like, you can have, like, a yogurt or something to, like, get you going, but you're not sitting down and eating, like, your oats and your, like, nuts and cacao, and, like, having a nice cup of green tea until you've done these other things. And I don't like love it like, yay, it's my favorite thing to do. I wish I was doing this like all day. It's not like that. It's more like once it's done you realize like the hell? Why is that like so bright? Oh, I think that's better. The sunshine doesn't know whether it wants to like be in or out. So yeah, like that's one of the things that I've realized that while I'm not like in love with doing it, I'm like, yeah, it's the best thing ever. Like, I want to do this all the time. I was really surprised by how much I got done in like 1 hour and 10 minutes, I think it was. And I put into that like clean something. Like, I think one day was like mop the floor, a different day was sweep. Like, I spread it out over the week. And then every day write in my journal. Every day, exercise, because it's just a small exercise routine. And every day, new thing, start meal prepping, because like 2 salads pre-made mean I don't have to think anymore. And it also stops the, I don't really want to eat salad. I'm like, well, it's there. You made it. Like, what are you going to eat if you don't eat salad? Are you just going to eat bread? Yeah? You're just going to eat bread and like chocolate powder or something. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, no. I was like, yeah, true. And it gets that like having to like think about what I'm going to eat, like just like out the window, because I know what's a good choice. Like way beforehand, like I know that. So making it as easy as possible sometimes means making it a little bit more difficult first. And changing my morning routine is one of the ways that I've recently made it more difficult. It's not perfect. I've literally just put it into place probably like a week or so ago. And the last couple of days, like I haven't been perfect on it. And I'm just like, relax, don't pressurize yourself. Don't like pick yourself apart. I was like, let yourself get better sleep again. Focus on what is the foundations of you feeling great and being great, and then being able to easily do those things without feeling the overwhelm. And I was like, yeah, okay. So I was like, let the sleep click back in. I didn't want to do anything today. I didn't want to film my exercise routine. I didn't want to do this video. And I was like, this is overwhelmed because you haven't had good sleep for more than like 1 or 2 days. I was like, you need to take things slower. I was like, and stop pressurizing yourself. I was like, you've got plenty of time to do these things. It's just you figured out the way to free up even more time for yourself, which means you can prioritize other things as well. I was like, you found another level and you unlocked it. I was like, and then you fell off the level back down to the other one. Is what happened. And I was like, yeah. It's like, yeah. And now you're like, I want to go back up on that level. I was like, you're not going to get there by kicking yourself up there. I was like, you probably just need to sleep a bit more so you've got the energy to climb back up. I was like, because some of it's physical, some of it's mental, some of it is, okay, we're just going to do it because we know afterwards you'll feel better for it, because you can just get so much done in the morning. I was really surprised. Like, literally, like, front load your day. Whatever you want to do to make it more difficult, if you can do it in the morning, like, I swear it will just be easier in general. Sounds weird, doesn't it? But like that's some of the ways that I've technically made it more difficult, but then it's actually made it easier. Anyway, if you've got any questions, drop them. Bye.